Alright, so day one of Hurricane Alex.
Woo! Yeah, it's just raining. You know,
Some wind, but it's not
it's
really
not bad.
It's like barely a tropical storm. Hurricane.
It's day 2, and it's the category 72 hurricane. I can't live without a computer. What's happening? Listen to the...
So, it's nighttime now, and we're having a lot of trouble sleeping.
I don't know what's gonna happen now. I don't think we can make it through. This might be the last that you'll see us.
Okay, so we're gonna try to escape this hurricane because it's really getting out of hand, as you can see in the background. So we're gonna try to get in the car.
We're gonna evacuate
and get out of here because we're really scared. Beyond belief.
Look at how bad it is. Like the rain, it just keeps coming down. It's like a downpour.
It's crazy. So we're gonna try to escape. As you can hear, there's a dog going crazy. This cat's like, it's going out of its weather. It's terrible. So we're gonna try and get out of here as soon as possible.
We'll see you in the car.
Alright, so we're gonna try to get to the car as fast as we can so that we don't have to deal with all the weather problems going on right now.
You ready for this?
Okay. Alright, let's go.
This hurricane is so crazy.
Oh my god, I can't believe how much water there is. I didn't know this was possible.
It's like a downpour. Oh my god. I don't think we're gonna make it. I don't think we're gonna make it.
Oh, so much water.
Oh my god.
I am Kugmo. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Oh my god. What happened? We don't have gas.
I guess it kind of got a car wash.